Hey, good afternoon. Harvey Braden with Harvey Roofing and Construction coming to you from Arlington, Texas. We just wrapped up a project here I was going to do a quick walk around on. We did some exterior trim replacement, a couple new front porch posts, replaced the old porch post, and painted the whole house. Replaced the roof with a new Atlas Pinnacle Pristine roof. And we also installed new gutters. So the client was just reviewing everything here to wrap this one up, and I just wanted to do a quick walk around and show what we did here. So I'm actually in the backyard and I'm gonna work my way around, but we've had some drainage issues, so we've got some downspout extensions to kind of try to alleviate and position this water. But all the fascia is brand new. We tore all that off, went back with LP Smart Side on the fascia and the new gutters. The Atlas Pinnacle Pristine roof, this is the oyster color. It does really good with reflectivity, so it's pretty energy efficient compared to a dark colored roof. We had some decking repairs. It was an old 3-tab roof on there, so we got that tore off, replaced the wood. Same thing here, we got an extension to get that water away from the house and get it going downhill. But all new fascia, new gutters on all the eaves. We did a little patchwork on the garage ceiling too. She had some drywall there that had been hanging down a little bit, so we got that fixed up. And then we've got the new front porch posts we did in cedar. Got our Simpson strong tie post base there. That way those are up off the ground. Never make contact with any moisture. And then we've got a little trim detail that we boxed out up there. And gutters continuing around on this side. We also added 2 turbine vents. This home didn't have enough exhaust ventilation, so we did upgrade that to had nice soffit vents, but not a lot of, just had a single vent that was up there. And so now there's 2 Lamanco turbines that are rated properly for the exhaust ventilation. Man, that just really turned out wonderful. Got great curb appeal. And that's got it. Just wanted to share that one. We wrapped up today, so on to the next. Thanks for watching Harvey Roofing and Construction. Thank you. Bye-bye.